Snoring is due to fluttering of the soft palate. That's the part, the uvula, little thing that dangles down between the tonsils and the soft palate, the edges of that. That flutters in the breeze, causing snoring. So when we go to sleep, our muscles in our throat relax, our nose sometimes becomes more congested, and we get this fluttering sound, which is the snoring noise. We also have a more potentially dangerous problem of obstructive sleep apnea. So with more relaxation of the muscles in the throat, we actually get collapse of the throat, intermittent collapse of the throat, causing obstruction of breathing, which is obstructive sleep apnea, and that will cause people sometimes to wake up tired, be unrefreshed, have brain fog during the day.